Mistake number 10, buying a pre-packaged plan. It can be very tempting to try and avoid a lot of the hard work by getting a plan without tailoring it to your needs. To be able to do this, you need to understand that your needs and the risks of your business. Once this is done, make sure you understand everything in your plan. You should understand every footnote and every exception. If there is anything you don't understand, make sure your insurance agent walks you through your plan step by step until you are clear and comfortable with everything in your policy. This is just one of the many reasons why it is so important to have an agent who you can trust that will make sure you're benefiting as much as possible from your policy. Don't you deserve the best coverage at the best price? Of course you do. So contact us now for a no-obligation quote so we can assess your needs and find you the best policy at the best price for your business insurance. Call us now at 410-394-8272 or email me, Richard, at woodhomeinsurance.com.